Once again, we are looking for solutions for an equation. And as you look at the equation, you should notice that it has an x in it and it has an x squared, which means factoring. Okay, anytime you see a quadratic, factoring is the way to go. And if you were just looking for solutions and trying to pick solutions out of a list, an easy way to do it would be just plug those solutions in for x, right? Plug in -4, see if it works if you plug it into both of those. Here's why that's not going to work in this case. It's asking for the sum of the two solutions. So that is a way of asking you, forcing you to factor and not just plug in solutions and see which ones satisfy the equation. Okay, so we're going to have to factor this thing, and remember you always need 0 on one side. So as I rewrite this equation, I get x squared minus 4x plus 32 equals 0. Okay, so I factor that, and I will go through the steps. What we're looking for is factors of 32 which add to -4. All right, so I can do that in my head. I know it's going to be something about 8 and 4, because 8 times 4 is 32, and they're only 4 separated from each other. Now, which one's negative, which one's positive? Well, if you do -8, +4, you'll see that those add up to -4. It's a common mistake to actually get those signs wrong and just do x plus 8, x minus 4. So I want you to get in the habit of double checking and multiplying back to see if you get the original form. That's worth your time, because if you factor it wrong, everything's going to be wrong from there. So I have two solutions now, and what you do at this point is you simply say, okay, x minus 8 equals 0. This is going to be my first solution. X equals 8. And over here, you say x plus 4 equals 0. So it looks like x equals -4. Here's my two solutions. And we add those together, and what do we get? +4.